New York Governor Andrew Cuomo announced on Saturday that the state's Department of Health will investigate a high school graduation ceremony after a student who recently traveled to Florida tested positive for COVID-19, according to a press release. 4 people who were in contact with the student have tested positive for the coronavirus since the drive-in ceremony was held on June 20 in Westchester County, just north of New York City, according to the release. All of the individuals who have tested positive are now self-isolating, and anyone associated with the graduation ceremony at Chappaqua Train Station or any associated events are instructed to quarantine until July 5, the order stated. New Yorkers have controlled the spread of this unprecedented virus by being smart and disciplined, and our progress to date is illustrated by the current low numbers of new cases and hospitalizations, Cuomo said in a press release. We're prepared to do the aggressive testing and contact tracing required to slow and ultimately control any potential clusters of new cases like the one in Westchester County. It wasn't made clear whether the Department of Health has concluded the student was infected in Florida or how many people at the ceremony were potentially exposed to the virus. A spokesperson for Cuomo wasn't immediately available for comment. The investigation comes only days after Cuomo, alongside New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy and Connecticut Governor Ned Lamont, ordered all travelers arriving to their states from Florida, Texas and other states with spiking COVID-19 infection rates to self-quarantine for 2 weeks. People who don't voluntarily quarantine for 14 days will be subject to fines and a mandatory quarantine. Cuomo said the fines will be $2,000 for the first violation, $5,000 for the second and up to $10,000 if they cause harm. The coronavirus has shown signs of easing in New York while accelerating in the South and West. Florida reported more than 9,600 new COVID-19 cases on Saturday, the second day of record-breaking new cases, according to the state's health department.